हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू केएच बायोलॉजी। मैं आपके लिए वेरियस मेडिकल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के क्वेश्चंस लेके आई हूँ। आज का टॉपिक है पोलिनेशन। तो पहले आप वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और शेयर करें। पहला क्वेश्चन है, assured seed set is possible even in absence of pollinators when pollination is. So right answer is Clistogamous. Question number 2, unisexuality of flower prevents. Answer is autogamy but not zytonogamy. Question number 3, choose the mismatched options. So right answer is bat, Kiglia, Chiropterophily. Question number 4, one advantage of Clistogamy is. Right answer is seed set is not dependent on pollinators. Question number 5, which of the following is an example of Clistogamy? So आपके ऑप्शन है सनफ्लावर, वैसिलनेरिया, कॉमलिना एंड कैलेप्टोरिस. सो राइट आंसर इज सी, कॉमेलिना. Question number 6, main condition for a plant to perform cross pollination is. So right answer is all of these: hercogamy, dichogamy, self fertility. Question number 7, non transfer of pollen from anther to stigma of the same flower due to a physical barrier is. Answer is hercogamy. Question number 8, pollination occur when a pollen grain lands on a stigma. Match the following: zoophily. Zoophily means pollination by animals. Ornithophily means birds के द्वारा. Entomophily means insects के द्वारा. Chiropterophily means pollination by bats. So right answer is C. Pollination by wind is called anemophily. When pollen grain of a flower pollinate the stigma of another flower of the same plant, it is called zytonogamy. Pollination by slug and snails is called Malcophilus. Dichogamy, which help in cross pollination, is a floral mechanism in which anther and stigma mature at different times. So B is right answer. Correct definition of pollination is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. So it is the correct definition of pollination. Question number 15, self pollination means occurrence of male and female sex organ in the same flower. So self pollination क्या होती है? मेल और फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन्स एक ही फ्लावर में हो. Which prevent self pollination? Self pollination कौन prevent करता है? So all of these: self fertility, hercogamy and dichogamy. So all of the above answer. Fig is pollinated by. Fig किसके द्वारा pollinate होता है? So D is the right answer, insect. Question number 18, in plants in nature autogamy is avoided since the seeds produce. A, B, C are right answers. So D is the right answer. In bisexual flower, when the gynosium matures earlier than the androsium, it is called protogyny. The insect Blastophaga grosserum is associated with the pollination of ficus. Pollination by water is seen in Vallisneria. In which of the following pollination take place by lever mechanism? So right answer is salvia. In sausage tree, the pollination take place by bats. Parts of gynosium which receives the pollen is called stigma. The allogamy is best favored by declining. The pollination which occurs in one plant is clistogamy. A close relationship between flower and pollinating agent is best exhibited by salvia. Pollination characteristically occurs in angiosperm and gymnosperm. Question number 29. The transfer of pollen grain from the stamen to the stigma of the same flower is known as autogamy. Progeny produced as a result of cross pollination. Progeny produced as a result of cross pollination. Right answer is show high degree of variability and evolutionary important. Question number 31. Which of the following type of gynosium is associated with wind pollination? So answer B is right here. In salvia, pollination take place by insects. Feathery stigma is present in wheat. The maturation of male and female structures at different time in the same flower in order to reduce the possibility of self-pollination is called dichogamy. Pollination which occur in closed flower is known as clistogamy. Which type of pollen grain are found in insect-pollinated flowers? So right answer is light and sticky. Cross pollination is crop plant is known as chasmogamy. Flowers prevent self pollination is called hercogamy. The mature stigma is either rough or sticky in. So right answer is wind pollinated flowers. The process of transfer of pollen grains from another to stigmatic surface ऑफ द फ्लावर विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रोफिली। यहाँ पे अनदर नहीं, यहाँ पे एंथर आना चाहिए था, एंथर टू स्टिग्मेटिक सरफेस। एनिमोफिलस पोलिनेशन इज मेनली ऑब्जर्व्ड इन ग्रामीने। Question number 42. Chiropterophilia is the process of pollination by bat. Contrivances of self-pollination are all of these. Interspecies incompatibility can be overcome by intra-ovarian pollination. When anther and stigma mature at the same time, it is called homogamy. For self-pollination, flower must be सेल्फ पोलिनेशन के लिए फ्लावर क्या होना चाहिए, ये आपके लिए, आप इसको कमेंट करके बताएं विच विल बी द राइट आंसर। सो अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। थैंक यू।